Today I'm going to be changing the oil in my 1967 John Deere 4020. Just kind of walk you through how I do it. Got the oil and the oil filter. Those are the part numbers there. Get down under here. That's where the oil filter is located, and we'll do that next. But right now you'll need a 1 1/4 inch socket to get the drain plug out. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Break that loose. Get a bucket, an oil drain pan, let her rip, and just go ahead and let that finish draining all the way out as much as you can, and then we'll put the plug back in and start on the filter. Once the oil is finished draining, go ahead and put the drain plug back in. Tighten that back up, and we'll move on to the filter. You'll need a 9/16 socket to get the oil cartridge out of here. And I like to loosen these bottom ones. A little more than the top ones, and let some whatever residual oil is in there to work its way out. Windy here today. First cool day of the year we've had. It was down to 37 last night, and it was about 44 degrees this morning when we got up. It's about September 15th is all. We got a little bit of snow on top of the mountains, so fall's coming. But I'm going to go ahead and let this drain a little bit more, and then I'll get the rest of the nuts taken off, and we'll pull this out. Just go ahead and got the nuts off there. Just go ahead and pull that out of there. You just want to take a little bit of lube and put around your new O-ring. Just kind of help lube it. Okay, I got the filter sitting on top of the cap here. Go ahead and insert it back in. You'll notice the cap is oriented and says top. Obviously you just want to put it back in just that same way. We'll go ahead and get these nuts back on here and get her tightened back down. Okay, on the other side of the tractor now, ready to fill her back up with oil. This tractor calls for 12 quarts of oil, so we'll go ahead and start putting them in. Might be a little tricky one-handed. Anyhow, I'll go ahead and get the rest of this filled up and get back to you. Got the rest of the oil put in. Now I just want to get underneath and check your drain plug and your oil filter housing. Just make sure there's no oil leaking out of those two places. And then we'll go ahead and fire up the tractor and check the dipstick. Okay, I fired up the tractor. I'll let it sit for a minute. I'll just go ahead and check the oil level, make sure we're where we need to be. Yep, looks good. Looks like we're all the way to the full line. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Comment below, like and subscribe. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching.